What's going on, everybody? Jason from Chicago Auto Pros. We got a special car in the shop today. This is a brand new 2019 Ferrari 488 in blue Corsa. We're wrapping the entire thing in Xpel Stealth. It's gonna look sweet. So you guys already have started taking the car apart, and the front bumper is missing. Is it supposed to be missing?
Yeah, we took the front bumper off so we could get the headlights out because there was no good way to wrap between the front bumper and the headlight and the top of the fender. So you would have seen a lot of blue there because it's a pretty heavy edge. So we needed to take it off so we could get full coverage there and wouldn't leave any gloss showing.
We're recording now from...
Take the lead, Rob. What? Call him Daddy. Welcome to my crib. This is where the magic happens. When we do the hoods, on like 90% of the cars we do the hoods on, we just use a bulk piece. It's just honestly easier. You got more film to work with. And you could use that film to disperse the fingers and get rid of them so it's nice and glass, kind of like when you're doing vinyl.
Hey guys, so right now we're just cleaning the edges. That way we can ensure that all the film tacks properly underneath and it won't lift up. He's angry. Cutting, that's like a craft, you know, you gotta, it's an art, honestly.
Call me Picasso.
Xpel Stealth is a matte paint protection film. It has all the same protection abilities as the clear film, but it has this really cool satin finish to it.
Factory Xpel.
He's not your guy anymore.
We don't need that anymore. Full stealth wrap. This Steve, our new prep guy.
Hello, Steve here.
I'm fast, boy.
Yeah, it's perfect. Damn, who trained you?
Daddy.
With Xpel Stealth being a matte film, we want to make sure that we don't have any gloss that shows through, and we want a seamless install. For that, we do have to take some parts off the vehicle.
Actually, you guys can work on the front bumper tomorrow morning. You and Andy, while I do tear down. Something I can think of. Great.
plan is, me and Andy gotta work on this front bumper. Okay. We're gonna finish it up today, and then once we're done, I'm gonna have you put the whole thing back together. In the meantime, work on the door, get that finished. End of day 2. There's a lot to be done still. We still have the whole rear end to disassemble and to put film on. Today we did really good progress. We got most of the front end done. Doors are done, fenders are done. Front bumper is almost done right. It's 6 o'clock, it's almost done. The hood is done. Long day, fun day, stressful day. We're getting it done, one piece at a time. That's it for today.
Wrapping an entire vehicle in paint protection film is a very large job. It's a time-consuming job. It's taken these 3 guys about 4 days to wrap this entire 488. After all the panels are wrapped and put back together, it heads over to the detail department for a ceramic coating. This is a coating designed for film that will extend the life of the film, keep it cleaner for longer, and make washing easier. Look at that, beautiful. You guys admiring your work over here?
Yep. You have to. It's the last time we get to see it before the owner comes to pick it up.
Absolutely gorgeous. How'd it go?
It went great.
Everyone thinks smooth? I mean,
it didn't go smooth at all.
It was a lot of work.
It was a tremendously huge amount of work, but it turned out amazing.
We just had to take so much off because it was stealth. Like all the Ferrari badges.
The back badge, you had to take that back bumper off.
Yeah, we had to take the bumper off for it. The side emblems are bolted on, so those had to come off.
Definitely worth it. She looks beautiful. You guys should be proud of what you did here. It's amazing. You guys ready for the next one?
Wait, come over here, come over here. Make sure you guys go follow Chicago Auto Bros. Only but the hottest stuff. Ooh.